Suppose you want to write a program to transfer or copy some of the list item from one list to another. Okay, so suppose you want to copy only odd numbers, so copy odd elements of a list to another list. Now what are the main steps involved? First of all, to check whether the elements are even or odd. So for that you will use for I in, suppose L is the list. For I in L, how to check odd element? If I percent 2 equal to 1, you can write, or not equal to 0, not equal to 0. So this is the condition for odd element, I percent 2 not equal to 0. So in that case you have to copy that element. Copy means for that you need an empty list also. So let it be L1 is equal to an empty list, and in this empty list this element will be appended, because in list you have append function to add new element. So L1 dot append, what is to be appended? This element which was odd. Now after that you can print these elements also, or you can return if it is a function. So these statements are to be included within the function body. So you will write def, you are creating a list, so let us name it create list function. And what you want a list. Either you input the list within functions body, or you accept it as a parameter from outside the function. Here you can print L if you want to print. If you can write print L1 to print the list created, or you can write return. So you cannot write return L1. You can use any method for this. Now what is required now? To input the list. So you can use L, or any variable name can be used, or al, a list is equal to eval input enter list elements. Now you will call the function. What is the function's name? It is create list. Now to call the function, because the function is having this parameter, you have to pass this al. You will pass the list, then only the function can accept the list. Okay, it seems to be written within the same program, but a function can use this value al only if it is passed as argument from this function call. This is function call statement. So only from the function call statement it is passed as argument, this list can be used by this function. And because the function is returning, if you replace this return by print, then you don't require any equal to and assignment operator and a variable here. But if it is returning a value, means on this place it will bring this L1 list, that is a value. So that value you can either directly print that value, or you can assign it in some variable, say any variable. X is equal to create, you print the value of x as print new list, or any message you can use new list x, or this is one method, or you can directly write print new list. This is another method. You can either write this statement, or you can write x is equal to pass the value al. So either these two statements or the single statement, because both have same purpose. This is the same work is being done in two statements here. First the function is being called, which is assigned in x, and then you have printed the value of x. In this statement both the things are being done in a single statement. So both are same You can use any of the method. So let us put a remark here so that only this will be executed. Now if you execute, so let us pass list. Few even elements and few odd elements. Create list has some error. Let us see what is the error. What is the function name here? CREATE. So here E is missing. So you have to use exactly same name. So let us again pass these values. And see, there is a new list having only odd numbers. So this is the code. Empty list. For each element of the list, check each element of the list to be odd. Only odd numbers are appended in the new list L1, and the L1 is returned, which is assigned in X when the function is called. And this statement will print the value of X, that is the new list.